Yeah. I don't. Why are you recording?
Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
I
mean, float.
float. Sink or float? I don't know.
Sink. Float. It depends who on it. If it's the boys, it'll probably sink.
Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
Okay, everybody down. It should hold together a bit better. Tap on in the water, it's fine.
You're doing it.
Start it? Yeah.
Okay.
You got this, guys.
Hopefully you don't sink. I'll paddle.
I mean, it's
James.
not
I need to go in the middle.
Max or myself?
You biggie!
Yay, a success for Raft, guys.
Oh my god. That was huge right here. That was huge right here.
Give me the other thingy. The other, where's the other pack?
Made friend tied the back.
On the water.
How was that?
It's good. Works very well.
I'm doing Hunger Games right now. We're just like spectating.